Yesterday I died, tomorrow's bleeding. You fall into your sunlight. The future's open wide, beyond believing. To know why hope dies, losing what was found, a world so hollow, suspended in a compromise. The silence of the sound is soon to follow. Somehow, sundown, and finding answers is forgetting all of the questions we call home, and passing the graves of the unknown. As reason clouds my eyes with splendor fading, illusions of the sunlight, and the reflection of a line will keep me waiting. With love gone for so long, this day's ending is the proof of time killing all faith I know, knowing that faith is all I